In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google form for multiple languages. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Creating a Google form that accommodates multiple languages is a fantastic way to engage a diverse audience. So first things first, go ahead and open up Google Forms. You can do this by heading over to Google Drive and selecting New, then More, and finally, Google Forms. Once your form is open, you want to start by establishing your first question. Think about what you want to ask. This could be something as simple as, what is your preferred language? For the options, you would enter the languages that you want to offer in your form. For instance, let's say you're including English, French, and Spanish. So you'll input those three languages directly into the options field of that question. Now this is where it starts to get a little interesting. After you've set up your question, look down at the bottom right corner of the question field. There, you'll see three dots. Go ahead and click on those dots. A menu will pop up, and you want to select the option that says Go to Section based on answer. Once you do that, you'll notice that the right side of your screen reveals new options. This allows you to create sections based on the languages you're including. Since you're working with three languages, for this example, you'll need to create three distinct sections. To do this, simply click on the Add Section button. Now let's focus on naming these sections. The first section can remain as is, serving as a continuation of the first question. As you create the additional sections, you might label them for clarity. For example, the second section can be named French version, and the third section should be labeled Spanish version. Next, head back to the question where you selected Go to Section based on answer. You'll now assign each language choice to its respective section. For the English option, you would select Section 1. For the French language option, you would choose Section 2, and then for Spanish, you will choose Section 3. To create another section after your first one, just click the plus icon again. This is where you'll start building out the content of your form for each language. In Section 1, you'll enter all your questions in English. Then, moving on to Section 2, you want to click on the Add Question button, and this time you'll create your questions in the French language. It's essential to ensure that the questions translate well and convey the original intent, so double-check your translations for accuracy. After that, head to Section 3 and repeat the same process. Here, you'll input your questions in Spanish. The goal is to ensure that all the questions in the first section are mirrored in each of the sections, but in the languages that you've established. This is vital for keeping your form seamless and user-friendly. Once you've completed all the sections and entered the corresponding questions in each language, make sure to review everything to check for any errors or points of confusion. Give it a final once-over and ensure that the navigation through the form aligns with the language selections. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google form that accommodates multiple languages. This is a great tool for reaching a wider audience and ensuring that everyone can engage with your content comfortably. Remember, if this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy form building!